Hi, what's going on guys? It's Kazuki. Thank you for watching my video. So I recently purchased this made in America. I think it's American Buffalo. Oh sorry, American Bison leather Dopp kit. It's from the brand called Duluth Pack. I have their wax canvas duffel bag too that I use for gym and my travel. Been liking this brand. I purchased a few stuff from them, and this is one of the products. So I like traveling. I'm in Chicago. City's nice, but I love traveling to other states, other cities in America. So I don't think I needed this necessarily, but it is a very cool bag. So I wanted to buy one, leather Dopp kit. I had a one that's made of canvas for like, I think it was almost $10. It's well made. It still works fine, but I wanted to get this. It's American Bison. See the has some pull up. You can see it. Very nice. So I'm planning to travel even more going forward. I'm going back to Utah for Thanksgiving. That's where I went to school and everything. So I'm going to fly to Utah with this Dopp kit. And I kind of wanted to show you guys what I have in my travel case. So first off, this is also made in the USA, the Razor travel case. It's black, American black walnut, and this is the leather from Halloween. I don't know why. I don't think it's Chromaxel, but they say it's Halloween too. From Rex Supply Co. I have this really cool. This is also made in USA too. Been using this almost a year. I think I should do the shaving review video too at some point. I mean, again, I don't think I needed this, but it's very cool stuff. They're doing a little sales for the Labor Day, so I couldn't resist. I just had to buy it. Really nice. I love it. And this is really expensive. It was like over $100. Usually I wouldn't want to spend a lot of money for something that I'm not gonna use too often. And this is gonna be sitting in my bathroom most of the time. And then when I go on a trip, that's the only time I'll be using this. So it doesn't make too much sense to spend that much money on something that I'll only use occasionally. But look at this. It was just too beautiful not to buy. There's a little space here, so you can put some blaze. I think I showed it in the beginning. Very nice. But I gotta travel more to make the most out of this for sure. And also have the blaze, the double-edged blade. This is from Feather, the Japanese company. I also have these two. I think these are made in Russia, much cheaper than Feather, but they have a good blaze to it. It's cheap, but still it cuts really well. So I just have a few of them in my bag. And this whole case, I think it has like 50, I believe, yeah, there's like a 50 blaze in it. Oh, sorry, 100 blaze, okay. For like under $20. If you're looking to get into wet shaving, you should definitely look into this Astra for like entry-level blaze. And of course I have The brush, Fine is a good brand. Really cool. And I have a shaving cream to use the brush with. But when I go on a travel, usually, I mean, this is still fun. You know, all the getting the lather and stuff. I have the small cup here for lathering, right? But when I do travel, I think I just prefer using something like this. You know, the instant, easier shaving cream. I have this nice comb. The sheath is also whole. I think it's English tan doubling. And the comb, I believe, a carbon fiber, so really light and durable. And this is also made in America. It's made in Chicago. I'm thinking of buying another comb from them, maybe like steel one or something, or maybe titanium. They look expensive, but they look really nice. So, yep, this is nice. I also have this post-shave lotion from Fine. I believe this is also made in America, yes. Very nice. Yeah, I wanna do shaving video for sure sometime. And I also have this cream, after shaving, also made in USA. Very nice stuff. I also have this alarm block. This is this sugar looking thing. It's something that you wanna rub your face with after you shave your face to close the pores, all that kind of stuff. And I have my face wash, same brand as this, made in America. Just a random little rag. Obviously, I have the you know, the toothbrush and toothpaste and stuff. They're sitting in my bathroom, so I wouldn't wanna really take it here. And this bag has still so much like room. It's very roomy, really big. Let me show you how much this can contain. This is the toothpaste that I carry with me. And there's still so much more room in it. I can still put more stuff. And this is quite big, and it gets really heavy when you have this much stuff in it. But you know, I'm kind of getting old. I'm in my 30 now, so even though it's just a trip for maybe 2 to 3 days, I like to carry, I guess, like a grooming stuff, right? Like things like this, a little scissor. Yeah, these are cool stuff I bought in Chicago. There's some cool shop here. I think it's worth it. It's gonna develop nice patina and everything. Really nice stuff. Made in America. Lifetime warranty too. So this is all I need in my life. Put some links for these items and websites on the description and the comments if you're interested. Go check it out. Get yourself one. And I hope you enjoy your travel even more with this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.